All right, just got done with my daughter's soccer game. Might buzz up and say hi. They got one more, but I got to take off. I've got 3 graduations today. One in Cherokee, one in Sioux Falls, and one back here at home later. So I'm going to break this series up into probably 3 different videos, and let y'all see more so the entire flight. So I'm going to try to get all these cameras mounted. We'll see what actually works. Got the 360, couple 11s, and the 4. And I got that new audio cable for hopefully the GoPro. And I will also maybe record voice on my iPhone. We'll see how that goes. Trial by fire. So let's pull this beast out of the hangar and get going. Alrighty, the goal is I think we're going to try to buzz up to the soccer field quick, say hi to the kids. Right. Fuel flow good. You're good, leave that open. Let's bring that back to fuzz. Good start. All right, got me?
I got you.
Loud and clear.
Yep. What's my trick to? Do I just push out a little bit and pull this up?
Yep, push it down. There you go. Yep, pull in.
Oh,
Just leave the door kind of flop for now.
Get a little air.
Taxi up there and do a run up quick, and we'll be off. I think we got time. They should still be playing soccer. Go buzz the Y quick. Alright, flight controls. Free and correct. So we're on a fresh oil change.
So you're doing that maintenance yourself?
Just the oil change.
Looked like you were changing some other fluid the other day too.
That was in the boat.
Oh, okay.
Alright, I'm going to monitor up in Spirit Lake, only because we're going to be flying close to them.
Ready for door close?
Pull that shut. So,
Better.
trim set. Let's get our lights on.
What's our first leg?
Cherokee. Milford traffic bearing 3 Papa Echo. Going to depart runway 27. Going to overfly the lake, and then it will be a southwest departure. Milford.
Yeah.
Alright, fuel props. Alrighty. Seatbelts on. Good to go. There's 85. Positive rate, gear up. Delta Cherokee 67Q, I'll take off 5 miles to the south for 33 shelf. Alright, I'm going to pull the power back here just a little bit. Flop over to Spirit Lake.
A few boats out there.
Spirit Lake traffic, bearing 3 Papa Echo, is 2 to the southwest. 1,900, we're going to overfly the field up to the northwest. Spirit Lake. See if soccer's still going on. Shelf traffic, Cherokee 67 Kilo Tango, looks like 2 miles to the south of the airport for landing runway 33 Shelf.
What's your, how many hours you got to change the oil on this?
Usually try for every 25. I ended up with just under 30 that last one. Spirit Lake traffic, bearing 3 Papa Echo is over your field. 2000, Spirit Lake. Looks like they're still playing. I see a bunch of pink jerseys. Yeah, on that field. That was her team.
Fairmont traffic, Cherokee 64202 is entering the left downwind for 31 Fairmont.
Traffic, Cherokee 67 Kilo Tango on final for runway 33.
Alrighty. Spirit Lake traffic, bearing 3 Papa Echoes to the north of the field. We're going to depart to the southwest. Spirit Lake.
Must have ducked out of the game a little early.
What's that?
You must have ducked out of the game a little early.
Yeah. Yeah, they played a doubleheader today.
Oh, yep.
Alright. We're going up to 3,500. Be a really quick flight.
Altitude 1,000 to go.
Back direct. GPS steering. And altitude. So it's not often that I don't file a flight plan, that's for sure. This feels awfully weird, but that's what we're doing. So Cherokee's CTAF is, I believe, 122.9 as well. 122.8.
Altitude 200 to go.
119.25.
Go picture doing the hold with fully ice.
A little bumpy today. So I'm going to let it settle in there about 23 inches. Pull the props back to 24. And we'll lean it out here a bit. Not a whole lot of leaning I can do here. Alright, so we got a 1836 as our runway options. I'm going to imagine we're doing 36 with the northwest wind. We'll see when we get a little closer here. 11 minutes away. That's a quick one.
It is a quick one.
Quickie.
What's the drive time?
Drive time's about an hour. I look at the river. All over the place.
Do you think you get any air loss on those cameras?
So,
Drag?
I don't think so. I think, so like the wind resistance on that is like 5 pounds.
Oh, okay.
Is what I read.
So how do those attach? Are they just a glue down?
So no, it's on one of the inspection plates. Pull a couple screws and it's slotted, so you can kind of move it wherever you want.
Oh, nice.
But that's the only spot. Like my the tips of my wings are riveted on, not screwed on. So I didn't have any screws. Some planes have the screws on the tips. You can pull the screws out and put this on. So I could have moved it either side, but I'm riveted. And my next inspection plate on that wing is underneath, about midway. 3/4 of the way out, I suppose. So there's really nothing. I might get another mount and put over there just to
Have to.
see what it looks like. Oh, I don't think Cherokee's weather is working. Oh, maybe it is. Let's try it up here. 119.025.
You got 0.02. Did you say 0.25?
025.
0.25, okay.
You need to get 22.8 in here, though. 12.8. 23 miles away yet. Oh, 19. That's why. Let's do this. 22. There we go. Still not picking. There we go.
Airport, automated weather observation. Test 153 Zulu. Wind variable at 6 knots. Visibility more than 10. Sky conditions clear below 12,000. Temperature 21 Celsius, 2.8 Celsius. Altimeter 293 remarks. Density altitude 2300.
Alright, so it's variable. I'll just take 3.6 because it's the straight in option. Or 1.8, that's what I meant to say, not 3.6. There we go.
Cherokee traffic, bearing 3 Papa Echoes, 18 to the northeast at 3,400. We're going to be straight in, runway 18, Cherokee. Start pulling the power back here.
What's the avgas at now?
I think we're 610 there in Milford.
Like when you go into Sioux Falls, it'll probably hit you a lot harder, don't they?
I don't, they'll charge me a landing fee,
Altitude 1,000 to go.
but it shouldn't be terrible.
What's your tail number?
3 Papa Echo, November 3 Papa Echo.
N3PE?
Yep. Just a little bit of fuel here. Keep slowing this thing down.
Do you got to pay for a courtesy car there? John was saying Ashton could pick us up and then...
Oh, they have a courtesy car available. I mean, you put gas in it, but if is he going to the graduation too?
No, you wouldn't normally.
We can take the courtesy car. That's not a big deal. All right, lights are all on. Yaw dampers away. I've got the weather. Got our traffic plugged in.
Cherokee traffic, Cherokee 6392 Whiskey is about 5 miles northwest at 3,500.
Cherokee traffic, bearing 3 Papa Echoes, 10 miles to the north. We're going to be a straight in for runway 18, Cherokee.
Altitude 200 to go.
I see Cherokee. I got the big old water tower in sight. Alright, there's our altitude. We'll wait for the visual glide slope to come up.
That's your water tower you're looking up that way up there? Oh, okay.
Cherokee traffic, bearing 3 Papa Echo is an 8-mile final, runway 18, Cherokee. Wait for the glide slope to come up. Lights are all on.
What's your rule of thumb on how soon you dump the landing gear?
Just before we start to descend on the glide slope. Try to be at gear speed. I got a runway in sight just over the water tower. You see it? Just on the left side of the water tower. Yep. Got about 8 to 10 knots to lose before I can dump the gear.
What's the speed you dump it at?
152.
And that's going to slow you down about,
Oh yeah.
how many knots? 20?
Oh, about 10, 15. That horn you hear is the gear horn. Yep. Pretty sensitive. I'd rather have it that way than the other. Cherokee traffic, bearing 3 Papa Echo, 4-mile final, runway 18, Cherokee. Alright, so there's traffic. Likes to balloon just
green
a little
lights.
bit. 3 green. I hit a notch of approach here. And there is the light slope. I'm going to take off the autopilot here. Alright, we got 3 green. Give it just a little more fuel. Tone that down.
Check altitude.
A little bit fast. 3 green, I still got 1 more notch of flaps. Get down to the white arc here. So where we're going is Spring Run right here, where we're flying over.
Okay.
A little bumpy. A little bit.
Altitude 200 to go.
Be right there. The buildings. Alright, we're just under blue line here. Easy, boy.
Altitude.
A little softer than I thought it was going to be, though.
Let her roll to the end here. Yeah, not one of my proudest moments. Cherokee traffic, bearing 3 Papa Echo, gonna back taxi runway 18 to the ramp. Cherokee. Well, we made it. Ugly landing.
I didn't think it was that bad.
Have that every once in a while.
Everyone does.
Love it when you side load the gear.